Let's show you how to replace a section of your recorded video. First, go to the point on your timeline where you want to replace the video. Click on Tools, select Replace, then Replace Video. Or you can just press the R key and then R key again to start the tool. When you replace the video, you have the option to keep or replace the narration and webcam if they exist in the current recording. A blue span will appear indicating the placement of the area for the new video. To adjust, select the section by dragging the blue bars along the timeline, or if you click on the start or end of the span, you can use the arrow keys to fine-tune your selection. If you want to preview what the replaced area will look like, press the Preview button here. It will seek right before the section, then play through, replacing the area with a placeholder screen, and stopping shortly after the section. Once you are positioned in the right spot, click the Start button, which will bring up a recorder you can use to record new video. If you selected to keep the audio, then the recorder will play back the current narration while you are recording, so you can follow along. Or if you selected not to keep the audio, you can record both video and audio and record for as long as you want. When you are done with the new recording, click the Done button to save it. A colored span will show on the timeline where the replacement was added. If you want to later undo the replacement, you can seek back to that spot on the timeline, then click this icon, which will bring up a menu with another icon you can press to remove the video you added.